Alrighty, this next one here is for all those bench presses out there who have super tight shoulders and don't want to have to give up the bench press. So you can still build those tig old biddies, but we're just going to do it in a much healthier way. So we're going to get 2 dumbbells. Now naturally we all want to bench that way, which is called a pronated grip. What we're going to do today is we're going to supinate by turning our palms up that way. So ultimately we want to get full supination, but anywhere from neutral to supination is going to be happy days. So the reason why I would use dumbbells is because when we use a barbell, we're going to get limited by where our chest ends. If we want to develop range of strength and be able to produce more strength through a large range of motion, we can now use a dumbbell to keep the elbows tucked in against the rib cage. And we're going to let that dumbbell come down as deep as our body allows us to, obviously depending on how much length we have through the pec and the shoulder and the biceps through there. So over time, using a little bit of load and gravity to pull us deeper into that stretch, we're going to be able to develop a lot of strength for a large range of motion, which means we're going to have healthy, happy shoulders and tig old biddies.